Hey, I'm Matt from Scooterworks. We're back in the Scooterworks Garage to talk about the one thing keeping you connected to the road, your tires. With warmer weather on the way, there's no better time for a quick safety check. Today, we're covering 4 tips that it's time to swap your tires, plus an additional safety tip to keep you rolling down the road. First up, the expiration date. Rubber isn't forever. Even if a tire looks new, it degrades over time due to UV light exposure, temperature and humidity swings, and more. If your tires are over 5 years old, the rubber hardens and it loses its grip. On road-going DOT tires, check the sidewall for the 4-digit code inside a small window. The first 2 digits are the week of production, and the second 2 digits are the year. If it's more than 5 years old, it's time for a change. This tire shows a date code of 4625, the 46th week of 2025, basically brand new. This tire shows a date code of the 32nd week of 2004, well beyond its useful life. Not sure if you have enough tread? Look for the TWI mark, or tread wear indicator, identified by a small arrow at the edge of the sidewall. Follow that arrow onto the tread groove and look for a raised bar of rubber inside the groove. When your tread wears down flush with that bar, your tire is at the end of its useful life. Don't wait until the tire is completely bald. Replace it once you hit that bar. Number 3, check for bulges. Run your hand along both sidewalls. The surface should be smooth and consistent. If you feel a lump or a bubble in the sidewall, it's a clear sign that the structure or carcass is failing. This is a major warning sign for a potential blowout. Don't ride if you find a bulge. Number 4, the integrity check. If you bought your scooter used or don't have detailed service records, check the entire tread surface for obvious signs of old punctures, patches, or plugs. Patches and plugs can be a great solution to get you home in an emergency, but are not permanent solutions for high-speed riding. While you're there, look for dry rot, tiny cracks that look like alligator skin. Cracks mean the rubber is brittle and the grip is compromised. Finally, tire pressure. This is the ultimate performance killer. Underinflated tires can feel mushy and overheat, while overinflation can lead to reduction in contact patch and grip. Always check your tires with a tire pressure gauge while they're cold, and set them to the manufacturer's recommended specifications found in your owner's manual or labeled on the scooter. Don't wait for a slide to realize your tires are shot. New rubber is the cheapest insurance you can buy. If your tires checked any of the replace boxes we've mentioned today, head over to Scooterworks.com. Whether you need high grip sport tires, long range commuters, classic white walls, off-road knobbies, or any other tire under the sun, we've got you covered at Scooterworks.com. We even carry options for e-bikes, e-motos, and electric kick scooters. Keep the rubber side down. We'll see you on the road.